Graphing and writing inequalities. An inequality is a mathematical sentence that does not have an equal sign. And here are some of the ones that are inequalities. This is, and we always read from left to right in math, so this is greater than, this would be not equal to, this would be less than, this would be greater than or equal to, that's what that little line under that means, and this means less than or equal to. Now, a solution to an inequality is any solution that makes the statement true. And normally there's a lot of solutions to inequalities. For example, if I say that the temperature will be 60 degrees or lower today, or lower than 60 degrees today, then if it's 59, that's accurate. If it's 0 degrees, that's accurate. So there's a whole bunch of solutions to that possibility. And here are some examples here of how we read through these, just as a reminder. So x is less than 3. So we look and we see, well, is -1 less than 3? Yes, it is. So let's circle that. Is 1 less than 3? Yes, it is. Is 3 less than 3? Nope. Is 5 less than 3? Nope. And we're done with that problem. Isn't that easy? X is greater than -4. Is -10 greater than -4? Nope. Is -5 greater than -4? Nope. Is 0 greater than -4? Think about it on a number line. It is, because it's further to the right on a number line. Is 5 greater than -4? Yes, it is. And here, again, x is greater than or equal to 0. Is -2 greater than or equal to 0? No. Is 0? Yes, it is. Is 2 greater than or equal to 0? Yes, it is. And so is 4. X is less than or equal to -15. Is -20 less than or equal to -15? Yes, it is. Is -15 less than or equal to -15? Yep. Is 0 less than or equal to -15? No. Is 10? No, it's not. So now we move on to the next series of problems quickly here. Graphing inequalities. Now for graphing inequalities, something to really make sure that's clear on is that this says here x is less than 4. So the way we represent this, and it's really important to understand, that means something and this means something. I'll go over what it means in a second here, just as an example. So this is x is less than -4. So what I do is I say, well, everything that's to this direction here on the number line, I can just draw an arrow there, is a solution. Everything to the right is not a solution. So is 0 less than 4? Yes, it is. Is -3 less than 4? Yes, it is. Is 5 less than 4? No, it's not. Now, very important to understand about this line here. The reason why this is a non-filled in circle is because I'm saying that 4 is not a solution. If 4 was a solution, I'll get to what that means in a minute when I do a couple of problems like that. Now here, x is greater than -3. So again, I go ahead and I put my little round part here, and then I draw my line. And when I draw my line here, a little bit of difficulty there, but when I draw my line, what ends up happening is I say, well, everything that is to the left here is not a solution. Is -5 greater than -3? No, it's not. Is -3 greater than -3? No, it's not. Is 4 greater than -3? Yes, it is. So we're set for that. Now, an important thing to understand here is that if I go ahead and I put this line under here, that changes the way this works a little bit. X is greater than or equal to 2. So in this case here, I've got to do the filled in bubble because the 2 is an actual solution. That's why I fill it in. So x is greater than or equal to 2. And what do I think here? I think to myself, well, which way do I go? Well, is 3 greater than or equal to 2? Yes, it is. So I'm pretty sure I'm going this way. So let me just try. Is 0 greater than or equal to -2? Or is greater than or equal to 2? No, it's not. So I know I have to go this way. Everything to this side is going to be a solution. Now here, x is less than or equal to 0. And again, I've got to go ahead and fill in that circle. x is less than or equal to. So I look and see, well, is -1 less than or equal to 0? Yes, it is. Is 2 less than or equal to 0? No, it's not. So I know that I have to draw my line heading that way. Now, when you write equations, writing this is an actual inequality, but it's sort of an equation. But it's writing an actual inequality instead. So here, water freezes when the temperature is below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Write an inequality to show this. So I would just say let let's say F equal temperature. And then all I would do to indicate that is that it's just say, well, T and 32. So when the temperature is below 32 degrees, or I suppose it's actually below or equal to in this case here. So it should be like that. Then it freezes, and that's how I'd indicate that.